Hi there, I'm Chris from Storage King Rolleston,
I'm Am.
And I'm Kat.
and we're located on the corner of Hoskins Road and Link Drive in the business iZone Park.
A brand new, state-of-the-art facility for any commercial or residential storage. Come meet our friendly staff and use our paperless iPad technology to complete your booking. We're here Monday to Friday, 8:30 till 5 and 9 to 1 on Saturday. We also have an extensive range of packaging materials and boxes to protect your valuables, and insurance can be arranged. Storage King has individual, fully alarmed units in varying size. Small, medium or large, there's a space to keep your goods safe, secure and watertight. Storers have access to their unit from 6 in the morning till 10 at night, 7 days a week, and there's free fibre internet. Each unit has easy access for bulky goods. You can use our free move-in truck, and we'll even lend you our trolley to make the job easier. Storage King, servicing Rolleston, Burnham, West Melton, Prebleton, Lincoln, Springston, Taitapu and Selwyn District. You'll find Storage King. We are the kings of storage, moving and more.